everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Online Study for You. One step solution for all your placement needs. I hope you all are well and your preparation for upcoming placement exams are going good. So keep preparing. In this video, we are going to talk about a new recruitment at Amazon. So it is for software development engineer intern role. Make sure to watch the complete video. I will tell you about the eligibility criteria, branches eligible. So do watch the complete video. Also do subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for your placement preparation. So do subscribe our channel. Also don't forget to install our Online Study for You app. On this app you will get lots of resources to prepare for your placement. So do check our app. The link for the app is given in the description itself. Right, so you can check it from there. As there are very few days remaining for TCS NQT exam, so why not to begin your preparation for upcoming TCS NQT by our TCS NQT 2021 crash course. Also, we have reduced the price, so it is just rupees 249, so that you all can afford and you all can ease your TCS NQT exam. This course covers all the important concepts along with solved questions that were asked in TCS. So start the preparation. Link for the course is given in the description itself. Happy learning. So basically, Amazon is hiring for software development engineer intern. In the description, they have mentioned something regarding Amazon, that at Amazon, we hire the best minds in technology to innovate and build on behalf of our customers. Right? Even you can go through it. The link for this job role is given in the description itself. Okay. So here they have mentioned that by applying this position, your application will be considered for all the locations we hire for in India. This includes but is not limited to Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi and Pune. Amazon internships are full-time, that is 40 hours per week for 8 consecutive weeks, 2 months with start dates between April and May 2021 or 6 months as per university academic framework with start date between January and February 2021. Right? About key job responsibilities, they have mentioned that collaborate with experienced cross-disciplinary Amazonians to conceive, design and bring innovative products and services to market. Design and build innovative technologies in a large distributed computing environment and help lead fundamental changes in the industry. Create solutions to run predictions on distributed systems with exposure to innovative technologies at incredible scale and speed. Build distributed storage, index, and query systems that are scalable, fault tolerant, low cost, and easy to manage use. Ability to design and code the right solutions, starting with broadly defined problems. Work in an agile environment to deliver high quality software. About basic qualifications, they have mentioned that currently enrolled in a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or related field at time of application. Knowledge of the syntax of languages such as Java, C, C++ or Python. Knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object-oriented design, algorithm design, data structure, problem solving, and complexity analysis, right? So if you are aware of any of these languages and currently enrolled in bachelor's degree, so you all can apply, right? Basically they have mentioned computer science and computer engineering, right? Also they haven't provided any marks criteria, right? So there is no such marks criteria, so you all can apply. That's a wonderful opportunity. Also they haven't mentioned any particular batch eligible, so that is the thing. Preferred qualification, they have mentioned that preferred qualification, previous technical internships if applicable, experience with distributed multi-tiered systems, algorithm and relational databases, experience in optimization, mathematics such as linear programming and non-linear optimization, ability to effectively articulate technical challenges and solutions, adept at handling ambiguous or undefined problems, as well as ability to think abstractly. And they have mentioned that applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. For an update on your status or to confirm your application was submitted successfully, please log into your candidate portal. Also, Amazon works with a high volume of applicants, so we appreciate your patience as we review applications, right? So if you got shortlisted for this wonderful opportunity, for further rounds you will definitely get a mail from Amazon itself. So it's a wonderful opportunity. Do apply, guys. And Amazon, so do apply. Link for the job role is given in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Happy learning. Do apply. Bye bye. Thank you.